Hi there and welcome to my channel. As you'll know now that I've got a whole different range of things that I post here. Things that I find interesting, things that I find maybe useful to other people. Today I'm going to be talking about this jacket here, which is made by Bench, and as you can see it's got this woolen type fabric and also these other types of fabrics as well. And it's a lovely jacket. The only problem is it's bobbled quite aggressively, so you can see a lot of bobbling on this. You can see it there, lots of bubbles everywhere on this unit. So I was gonna just get rid of this jacket, but I like it so much I thought, well, can I recover it? So I remember a long time ago having these bobble removers, and they weren't very powerful, not very good. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to try them now and see if they're any better. So I bought this one from eBay. It's a Phillips one, and the model is a GC026/80. So it's about £18, and it's a battery operated unit. You can just slide the batteries are stored in this battery case here, and also it's got a lint area, collection area here, protective covering over here, and when you look at these little holes, they're not very big. They're only about maybe about 3 millimeters in diameter, and I was wondering, will this actually be successful? So let me show you how it works. So you've got on off switch there, and you're effectively just shaving the bobbles off with this up and down motion, and I'm going to show you the result. Okay, there you go. Let's watch the series here, okay? You can do the series here. What an improvement. Okay, you can see there to there. So the jacket is, this jacket will be easily restored with this. And I've done one sleeve on this side, and you can see the difference compared to this side, which hasn't been done. Been done, not been done. Remarkable improvement. So do I rate this? Well, surprisingly, I didn't think it would be any good, but this is an absolute godsend. It's just going to transform anything with bobbling. It's just going to transform it. So do get one of these. Absolutely superb. I know it works. It's quite efficient. It doesn't take long to move all the bobbling, and it's going to sort out this crazy amount of bobbling quite easily. Again, I'll just show you briefly there. You can clearly see how bad it is. Look at the difference. You can hear it actually cutting away quite nicely. What a difference is that from there to there. Okay, battery compartment, as I said, 2 AA batteries which come supplied with it, and lint compartment is over here. So you slide that off, and the lint is collected in, let me go find it. What did I do with it? I dropped it here. The lint is collected in there. You can see that all the stuff that came out. As I said, what a godsend is this. Later on I'm going to be showing you how I transform some clothes using dyes, and again I've tested out two types, Ritz and Dylon, and I will tell you the results, what you can do with it, etc. That's a little bit of the lint that came out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, because as I said, all these ideas will be money saving ideas for you. Keep your wardrobe looking in pristine condition, so you're not spending additional money, and also utilizing stuff that you have, making it much better. There's also other tips coming through on the vacuum cleaners and Dyson. I believe that's already up, and you're going to find a lot of interesting things, so do subscribe.